We edit JPG image files in Adobe Photoshop fully manually, with a strong focus on quality, precision, and visual balance. Our editing process does not rely on automatic filters, one-click tools, presets, or AI-based editing systems. Every single image is edited by hand, step by step, so that we can control every detail and deliver a professional result. Before starting any edit, we carefully review each JPG image. We analyze lighting, colors, contrast, sharpness, and overall composition. This initial review helps us understand what the image actually needs, instead of applying random changes. Only after this analysis do we begin the manual editing process. Manual editing allows us to work with full accuracy. We adjust brightness and contrast carefully to improve visibility without losing details. Highlights and shadows are balanced to bring out depth and clarity. Color tones are corrected so the image looks natural, clean, and visually pleasing. Sharpness is added gently to enhance details while keeping the image smooth and realistic. We are very careful about over-editing. Over-editing can reduce image quality and make photos look artificial. That is why we always aim for a natural and professional finish. Our goal is to enhance the image, not to change its original identity. Each JPG file is treated with patience and responsibility. We understand that images can be important for business, marketing, social media, websites, or personal use. Because of this, we give individual attention to every image, no matter how small or large the project is. Image security and privacy are extremely important to us. We provide 100% secure image editing service at every stage of the process. Your files remain fully confidential. We never share images, never reuse them, and never allow any third-party access. From file upload to final delivery, everything is handled safely and professionally. Quality is the core of our service. Every image goes through multiple careful adjustments to ensure clean and polished output. We focus on correct color balance, proper exposure, smooth details, and overall visual harmony. Even small details are handled carefully because those details create a professional final look. Our JPG image editing services include photo retouching, color correction, light and exposure adjustment, background cleaning, dust and spot removal, and overall image enhancement. All of these services are performed manually in Adobe Photoshop to maintain consistent quality across all images. We believe strongly in quality over quantity. Instead of rushing through images, we focus on doing the job properly. This approach allows us to maintain high standards and deliver reliable results every time. We work with professionalism, honesty, and long-term responsibility. We also understand the importance of time. That is why we follow a structured and efficient workflow. Our goal is to deliver edited images on time while maintaining the same level of quality and attention to detail. Speed never comes at the cost of quality. Our service is designed for clients who value professionalism, privacy, and clean results. We aim to deliver JPG images that are ready for professional use and meet high visual standards. If you are looking for professional JPG image editing done manually in Adobe Photoshop with secure handling, natural results, and perfect finishing, and if you want this type of editing service, you can contact us anytime.